What's up, YouTube? It's a beautiful day in sunny Fort Myers. The weather's like 70 degrees and sunny, so you already know we're outside driving the 1000 horsepower Mark IV Supra. Today, when I was driving the car, I heard what kind of sounded like a misfire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the spark plugs, put new spark plugs in, and I guess I'm just gonna show you guys how to do spark plugs on a Mark IV Supra, baby. Let's go. Take it out first. Alright boys, got the spark plugs, got some copper spark plugs. These are a little different than the other ones that are in the car right now, but the part number's the same, so screw it. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes. We got the Supra, and then we got your headless mechanic here. We're gonna turn this fan off, move it, and what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take off this spark plug cover, because obviously we can't take spark plugs out if this cover is blocking the spark plugs. So let's get this out. Got 6 bolts, usually are supposed to have 8, but I didn't put the last 2 in last time because I'm just lazy. That's all. That's it.
It's proven to be a big disappointment to me.
Oh, come on, man.
Alright, we got the Allen keys out. Damn, I spilled so much oil last time I did my oil change, and all these bolts are just like so slippery. Now, that's the cover off. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Oh, and there's oil underneath that too. That's no, oh, there's no bueno. Let's take care of this. So first pack under this one. Phillips heads out, and these are hot. They're very hot. Kind of burned my fingers a little bit.
My husband, he burned his finger, ma'am. Yeah, he was cool.
You want to put this magnet onto something. It's not hooking up into anything except for the latches, because it's carbon fiber. See? Oh, yep, see? Literally will not. There's nowhere I can put it except for like right here. And this doesn't even help me. It's kind of in the way, to be honest. Change of plan, we just put it here. It's still kind of in the way, but can't hang it on the hood. Carbon fiber hood problems. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Got a plug. Damn, there is some oil on that. I did spill a lot of oil on that oil change that we did not too long ago. Oh!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Oh! That was my bad. Please don't tell my girlfriend that I'm using her fancy vacuum to work on my car. Just for the record, it wasn't for the oil. It's for like the sand and stuff that gathers inside of like your head. Got the 16 socket. Got an extender on extender on extender on extender. I'm always so scared. Wow, that's actually kind of tight. So I definitely did these too tight last time, and now I'm scared. I don't want it to snap off inside of the car. All right, give me a second. I'm always so scared that the plug's just gonna snap off inside of the head. I feel like my worst day ever. Give me that. All right, there's our spark plug. Sick. Got the new plug. I guess we're just gonna... Oh, I gotta gap all these spark plugs, bro. I always forget. Now, if you haven't ever gapped a spark plug before, this is gonna be the crash course on gapping a spark plug, right? So, along this, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 5 onward. So we want 0.025, just right at the tip of my fingernail right there. Stick it in there, drag it along. Where it stops is where it's at. So this is right at 0.031. We want to bring it back to right about here. How I gap them, take it and just tap it. I tap it on this wood table I have here, and then check it. Okay, not close enough. Tap it a little harder until you get the right gap on your spark plug. Now, if you go too far, so I tapped it too much and it's not exactly where I want it to be, what you do, you take the little hole in the spark plug, put the spark plug like that, and you just pull it out a little bit at a time. You don't want to do it too much because you want it to be right at the right spot. Alright, I gotta like stand up on my radiator. Oh, that's hot. Ooh! Now you want it tight, but you don't want it too tight, or else you run into what happened to me when I was taking this one out. It was too hard, so You'll kind of feel it when it's, yeah, that's good. That's perfect. On to the next one. Alright guys, she didn't see that I had the vacuum outside. Let's go. Number 2. Oh. Perfect. We're all done. Now, if we did everything right, the car will start, and yeah, the car will just start, I guess, huh? Nice. How to do spark plugs on a Mark IV Supra. So the car is driving a lot better. This is going to be cool videos, hopefully, that with the sunset and whatnot. But the car does drive better. Obviously, it's way more responsive. I think I gapped the old spark plugs a little bit too close because they were closer than the ones that we just gapped. But I remember the car being gapped to 0.25. So I think I gapped them a little too close last time, which is fine. Doesn't really matter. I mean, maybe it does. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic.
I'm a mechanic.
We're going to go on a test drive. Gonna feel the car, see if there's a little bit of a power difference. We're only on map 1. Wow. Okay. Way more responsive. Yeah, car's definitely got a little bit of a kick to it. Oh my god, I just missed third. That was so embarrassing. Whoa! Got a little squirrely there. Holy. Yeah, the tires are definitely not warm. They are indeed cold. Alright, fellas. This is the road. If you know, you know. Wow.
Damn, these things are fast.
That felt so good. Alright, let's see how fast we catch up to that truck. In 3, 2. Holy. Beautiful sunset. Roll this window up a little bit so the audio. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the pull felt good. The back end did not feel good at all. Something's wrong with the back end. Definitely gonna have to look into that, but that's a problem for another day because
I want problems always.
the engine's feeling tight. We got a fresh oil change, fresh spark plugs. We're chilling. Yeah, the back end is vibrating a lot.
The road's getting kind of bumpy here.
I don't know what it is. I'm kind of scared, but let's just get the car home.
One more couldn't hurt.
If it's not obvious, it's another day, and the Supra is back in its resting spot for the time being. A little update on the noise that we heard. It is 100% my drive shaft. I've had some drive shaft problems for a little while, and I've kind of just refused. buying the $1,000 to $2,000 part, but I guess very soon I'm gonna have to do it. But if you made it this far, I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my lame YouTube video. I think we gained like maybe 30 more subscribers. We're at 376. So again, thank you guys. You guys are awesome. I'll keep on trying to make good videos for you guys to watch. Even if we're doing lame stuff, I'll try and make it as fun and educational as I can. So I guess that's the YouTube video. Thanks. Have a good one.